What if I told you there's a jellyfish that never dies, a goat that faints when it's scared, and a creature that can survive the vacuum of space? These aren't myths. They're facts, incredible animal facts, so strange, so shocking that you'll wonder why no one's told you them before. Welcome to the Animalarium. Today we're diving into the weirdest corners of the animal kingdom. And trust me, you've never seen it like this. Our journey starts beneath the waves. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, aka the immortal jellyfish. When this jellyfish gets injured, sick, or just old, it doesn't die. It reverts its cells to an earlier stage, like a biological rewind button. Imagine getting a wrinkle and then turning back into a toddler. That's what it does over and over again. Scientists believe it could hold secrets to anti-aging. Death is optional, apparently, if you're a jellyfish. Now picture this. You sneak up on a goat, and it drops stiff to the ground like it's been frozen. Welcome to the world of myotonic goats. These quirky creatures suffer from a condition that causes their muscles to lock up when they're startled. It's not dangerous, it only lasts about 10 seconds. But it is hilarious. Farmers once used them to distract predators from their more valuable livestock. A fainting goat, the bravest little decoy. In 2007, a tiny creature became the first animal to survive outer space. Not a dog, not a monkey. A microscopic, water-dwelling beast called the tardigrade, also known as a water bear. These bizarre animals can dry out, freeze, be boiled, exposed to radiation, and yes, even survive the vacuum of space. When the apocalypse comes, they'll inherit the Earth. At the National Aquarium of New Zealand, an octopus named Inky escaped his tank, crawled across the floor, and vanished down a drain pipe all the way to the ocean. Octopuses have no bones and incredibly high intelligence. They can unscrew jars, solve mazes, and clearly plot prison breaks. You're watching Finding Nemo, but it's real. In Central America, there's a lizard that literally runs across the surface of water. It's not divine, it's physics. The basilisk lizard, nicknamed the Jesus Christ lizard, uses speed and specialized feet to stay above water long enough to evade predators. Miraculous. Maybe. Hilarious. Definitely. In an experiment, elephants were shown a mirror and did something almost no other animal could. They recognized themselves. Self-awareness. Intelligence. Emotion. One even tried to rub off a paint mark scientists had placed on its forehead. Proof it knew. The reflection was itself. That's not just smart. That's profound. Shrimp smashing prey. Meet the mantis. Shrimp, a punchy little assassin of the sea. Its claws strike so fast they create cavitation bubbles which collapse and momentarily boil the surrounding water. The result? A punch that generates light, heat, and enough force to crack aquarium glass. It's like having a pistol in each arm. Think cows are just, well, cows? Think again. Studies show cows form close emotional bonds, even experiencing stress when separated from their best friend. They have preferences, personalities, and surprisingly strong social networks. Turns out, the pasture is more like high school than we thought. Before a deadly earthquake struck Japan, dogs barked wildly, birds took flight, and cats refused to enter homes. Coincidence? Some scientists believe animals can sense seismic activity hours or even days before it hits. How? Nobody knows for sure. But when nature whispers, animals listen. Deep in the jungle, a fungus infects an ant's brain and controls its body like a puppet master. The ant is forced to climb high above the forest floor and clamp onto a leaf. Then it dies. The fungus grows from its head and releases spores, looking for its next victim. If it sounds like science fiction, it's not. It's real. Welcome to nature's horror show. From immortal jellyfish to mushroom-controlled ants, the animal world is stranger, smarter, and more terrifyingly fascinating than we ever imagined. So the next time you see a goat faint or a shrimp punch, just remember nature doesn't play by the rules. Thanks for watching the Animalarium. If your mind was blown, smash that like button, tap subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tale from the wild side. What animal story do you want us to explore next? Drop it in the KROM. Follow Safni Juan. Stay curious and stay wild.